Hi guys, let's start with a session on analyzing thresholds and the matched pairs. For the analysis of threshold, what you have to do is first access the configuration perspective, then run the threshold analysis pair generation, load the results of your pair generation into the Excel, then answer yes, no or maybe to the pairs in Pair Manager. Then you have to access the algorithm's threshold and weight properties tab and run the threshold calculator, plus reach the desired set of tasks or false positive rate for your matrix. Then deploy the new threshold to the hub and finally recompare the records in your database. We do analyze the threshold, but why is it done? So basically to determine the score where you are confident that the two records they represent the same person, then scanning a data sample for false positives or false negatives, then determining the threshold at which you want to manually review potential duplicates and validate the algorithm we have configured in producing meaningful matches, and confirm that the weights are generated, they make sense. Finally, another reason is to identify the general data quality issues. Now, these false positives and the false negatives, they occur when the probability of match it doesn't correlate with the actuality of match. So, false positive, these are usually twin siblings or the records. Negatives, they usually are caused by sparse inaccurate data in the records. For matched pair review, that is to help set the threshold, where matched pairs they consist roughly of 4,000 pairs and they can be reviewed through Excel or Pair Manager, and the customers they indicate yes, no or maybe to confirm if pairs match. For calculating the threshold that uses matched pair review, where the false positive rate goal it's less than 1 in 1 million, false negative rate goal is less than 1 in 10,000, estimated hash of tasks that depend on resources, and hash of common attributes, sources with fewer attributes they cannot score as high as other scores. Now, for exercise, you generate and review matched pairs according to the instructions in this unit.